Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an outline using the grid method, only way. Begin by drawing a simple grid and assign columns to main topics and rows to subtopics. Label each axis clearly, use short phrases in each cell, and prioritize items from top left to bottom right. Keep entries concise so the grid guides your writing, study, or presentation without overwhelming you. Start small and friendly. Pick 3 to 5 main topics for columns and 2 to 4 supporting ideas for rows. Populate cells with single, actionable phrases so each box holds one clear thought. After filling the grid, scan for gaps and reorder cells to create a smooth narrative or argument. This visual structure makes drafting faster and reduces revision time because your outline already maps the logical flow. Once your grid is filled, refine by color-coding priorities or numbering sequence for a clear roadmap. Convert each cell into a sentence or paragraph when drafting and use the grid to track transitions and examples. Trim repeated ideas and balance coverage so no column is overloaded. This method keeps research, quotes, and evidence organized and helps you produce coherent drafts faster with fewer rewrites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.